Hello, my name is Paige McCormick. I am a website designer, currently hoping to be considered for the position as web page designer for the hospitality home care web page. I'm aware that you have not updated your website in the last 15 years due to the lack of staff. I think that the video I have enclosed will show you that I am the best candidate. Your website needs a total redesign, and I have done that for you. I do have a background in healthcare, but you do know your business better than me, so we can always make changes. I am going to go over some of the important changes that I have made to your website. I have provided visual organization, as you can see. Your company brand, Hospitality Home Care, is up in the corner here. I have an easy to navigate tabs for your home page, about home, about, services, contact, as well as a login tab. I have made the design visually simplistic with simple buttons and tabs to create an easy to use design. The top banner directs attention to the most important parts of the web page. This banner is the same across all of the website pages. I have placed visual interactivity on the bottom right corner of all of the pages. As you can see, the user can access Facebook and Twitter. We can add more things like Google Plus and Instagram or whatever else you would think would be best for your business. I have included a variety of images on the different web pages. The main color on all of the pages is kind of an off-white with a gray and blue color scheme throughout the website. If you look at the other web pages, you can see the different images. On this page, you can see there is a graph regarding the specific health services with the percentages of each service. Not only does this web design show what nursing services are offered, it shows the different rental equipment offered as well. This web page offers viewers several different ways to contact your company. By phone, email, and social media. There are also two different locations. These are both identified on the locations page using Google Maps. There's another page about the hospitality home care, more about the company. We have a contact us page that viewers can use to contact us with questions regarding our services. Back to that home page, there is an area for testimonials that show how patients liked your services. When you guys choose to use this web design, you can put in your personal patient reviews. Again, the viewers will first be attracted to the logo, Hospitality Home Care, in the upper left-hand corner. They will see the visual organization and simplicity of the web page. They will find the website easy to use to find the pages that they are looking for. On the different pages, they will find various images with details about the services offered, with pictures and graphs to keep them interested. I would like to be considered for the website redesign, and I look forward to working with you.